Shipping is one of the major threats to the loss of biodiversity.
The spread of invasive alien species through ballast water is not anything new. What is new is the magnitude of it. As consumers, we demand more and more products, and as such, we need more maritime transport.
90% of the world trade is transported by shipping. When the vessel is not fully loaded, normally for keeping the stability, they need an additional weight. This weight is provided by the ballast water.
Ships play a role in spreading invasive alien species because they use ballast water pumped in one location, such as in the Mediterranean, and discharged in another completely different location, like in the Atlantic. And ballast water contains living organisms.
This results in more than 7,000 marine species being translocated and dispersed daily. Invasive alien species are all sorts of plants, animals, or pathogens that they are not native to an environment or to ecosystem.
Ballast water spread invasive species when they are released into the sea. Not all the species survive in the new environment, but in other cases the species are opportunistic, so they can spread very quickly, competing with the local species.
Invasive alien species can impact the environment by changing the ecosystem, as they compete for space, for food, and as damage can become economic and also social damage affecting our well-being and health.
El Convenio Internacional de Aguas de Lastre contemplan diferentes vías para evitar esta transferencia de especies foráneas de unas aguas a otras. La ley es obligatoria desde septiembre de 2017.
Nosotros lo que estamos obligados, de obligado cumplimiento, es con el Convenio de Aguas de Lastre. Y estamos en el protocolo de implantación, es un cambio de aguas 3 veces, que así se exige en aguas profundas, con un sistema de flujo continuo.
The open water ballast exchange method consists on bringing the water from offshore into the boat, and then when the release close to the coast, it's more difficult for the species to adapt there. But sometimes the ballast exchange method is not effective because some of the species can survive in these new environments.
Y en el futuro las navieras cumplirán con la provisión de equipos que inertizan las aguas que se descargan en los puertos.
To install a ballast water treatment system to comply with the convention is challenging for a shipbuilder. We need to select a compact solution as well as efficient solution.
Es difícil en los buques existentes porque el espacio es justo. En cambio, en los buques nuevos, de nueva construcción, es más sencillo porque se programa desde el principio la ubicación mejor de esos equipos y sale más económico.
Evidentemente es un gran reto porque no solo requiere grandes inversiones, sino la tripulación debe ser formada para que puedan llevar a cabo en condiciones y con conocimiento esta nueva tarea que se nos impone.
Nosotros cumpliendo, todo el mundo debe cumplir.
Implementing the ballast water treatment system into the vessels is very expensive for ship owners, but the cost of having invasive species in the environment is even higher and often neglected.
The prevention is the key. If the species is already introduced, the mitigation will cost money as well as the eradication. So if you work in the prevention, it's going to be much more cost effective and you will get better results.